Knee pain, difficulty climbing stairs, drink DigoSure. Back pain, trouble sleeping at night, drink DigoSure. Neck and shoulder pain, numbness in hands and feet, drink DigoSure. DigoSure is a safe and effective choice for long-term joint and bone patients. It doesn't cost as much as surgery and has no side effects like painkillers. It's suitable for vegetarians, diabetic patients, and those with high blood pressure. DigoSure has helped millions of patients in the Philippines move freely, comfortably ride bikes, exercise, garden, pray, without the worry of joint and bone pain. Feel the noticeable effects after using 3 to 5 cans. Order now.
Wow! Hindi makapaniwala! Pagkatapos kong gumamit ng DigoSure milk, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. Maaari na akong kumilos ng komportable nang walang anumang sakit sa aking mga tuhod. Pakiramdam ko'y gaan at sariwa ang aking katawan. Maaari na akong bumalik sa pagsasanay at pagsasayaw kasama ang mga kaibigan. Talagang gusto ko ang uri ng gatas na ito.
My friend ako nag-recommend ng DigoSure milk. I tried it. Gulat na gulat ako na after 10 days, nabawasan na yung pamamanhid at pain sa paa, sa mga joints ko, at sa kamay at sa paa. After 1 month, almost close to normal na kilos ko. Now I am healthy again. I can go back to work, walk without discomfort, nakakatayo na ako ng matagal, nakakatakbo-takbo na rin ako na wala na nararamdaman na joint pain. Sobrang galing talaga nitong DigoSure.
Grabe! Nakakatuwa talaga ang DigoSure milk. Ang aking tagapagligtas. Ang sakit ng likod ko halos nawala na. Kaya't nakakatulog na ako ng maayos sa gabi-gabi. Marami akong nararamdamang pagbabago. Maari na akong tumayo ng matagal na panahon, maglakad, umikot sa kaliwa at kanan nang walang sakit sa likod. Maari na akong umakyat at bumaba, hagdanan at gumawa ng gawaing bahay ng normal. Ang DigoSure milk ang pinakamahusay. Maraming salamat sa DigoSure milk.
Throughout the use of DigoSure, a team of experts will contact you weekly to take care of your health, provide lifestyle and exercise guidance, and answer any questions you may have.
Huge discounts from DigoSure. The more you buy, the bigger discount you get. All combos come with gifts. Buy 2 free shipping. Buy 3 get 1 free. Buy 4 get 2 free. For all customers who quickly order on the website or leave information directly in the comments section.
Take care of your health and your family's health starting today.